as many that could fit on the fork. If 3 can fit on the fork, they're all going down. So whatever's the fastest way, I'm not going to try to look at my competitors. I'm just going to try to focus on my bowl for the 5 minutes and see where it takes me. How many do I think I'm going to eat? In 5 minutes, I'm shooting for as many as I possibly can. Here the bowls are 35 each, so maybe a couple bowls, and I think that should do it for me in the 5 minutes. I've eaten plenty of raviolis before. I grew up in an Italian family, so I know my way around the ravioli. Alfredo's is the best around in the area, definitely, so I'm looking forward to the contest.
And I'm Anthony.
I'm going to bring the Italian flag.
And I'm here to eat some I'm here to challenge these two guys to eat some ravioli. Excited about it. Going to put a few plates away. Oh, absolutely. I love the raviolis. Alfredo's has the best, and I make them all the time at home, so I'm here to have a big, big lunch. What am I going to do with the winnings? I'm probably going to have a big ravioli party at my house for all my friends. I got a couple people here cheering me on, and we're going to have a nice feast at the house.
How am I going to challenge these young guys? Well, I don't look at it as a challenge. As a matter of fact, I see no challenge. I eat 50 ravioli every night, so for me, this is just another night. Of course, when I'm done here, I gotta go home and eat. Oh, I don't know if we go by the bowl, by the pallet, by the truck, it doesn't matter. We do whatever it takes to win, no matter what. Aiello's is no doubt the best. I never eat food outside the house except right here. It's the best, it's the freshest, it's the only place I go. Ask around. I tell everybody to come right here at Aiello's. No doubt, hands down, the best food on the South Shore.
So the rules are as follows.
Yeah, I don't like having a BU guy here, by the way.
You can only use a fork
Yes.
to eat them, okay? You can eat as many as you can in 5 minutes, all right? We'll do a countdown every minute, then the last.
You gonna call it out?
Yes.
I'm nervous now. Mine are heavier than his.
Well done, sir. Nice job. Nice job, you underestimated how.
Wow.